Hi, and welcome to another tutorial video in which I'll be going through a bubble sort and how to perform it on this list of random numbers. Okay, so first of all what we've got to do is make our first comparison. So to start off with, I'm going to be comparing 9 and 14, and I should mention I'm going to be sorting this list into ascending order. So the smallest number on the left hand side here and the largest number on this side here. So when I compare 9 and 14, I see that they are already in ascending order, meaning that 9 is obviously less than 14. So what I then write out is 9, 14, 4, 56, 78, 61, 39, 17, 39, and 50, like that. Now I'm going to make my next comparison on this side, of these two numbers here. So I'm going to be comparing 14 and 4. Now I can see that 14 is bigger than 4, so for this comparison, just draw a ring round it there, show which numbers we're comparing. I'll write the 4 first, 14, swap those round, and then write out the rest of the list. Okay, now I'll move on to my next comparison. I compare 14 and 56. So obviously 14 is less than 56, so the list stays as it was. Okay, and then we compare 56 and 78. And 56 is less than 78. So I'm going to write 9, 4, 14, 56, 78, 61, 39, 17, 39, 50. And then we do our next comparison, 78 and 61. Now for this one you can see that 78 is bigger than 61. So I'm going to do 9, 4, 14, 56, and then 61, because we sort these ones around. 78, 39, 17, 39, 50. Then we're comparing 78 and 39. So I'll write out the list again up until this point. And then I can see that 78 is bigger than 39, so I've swapped those two round. And then I compare 17 and 78. So I'll write out my list again. And then I can see that 78 is bigger than 17, so I've swapped those two round. And then we make our next comparison, which is 78 and 39. And I can see that 78 is bigger than 39, so I swap those two round. And then our final comparison of the first pass. And we write out our list again up until this point. So we go through like this. And I can see that 78 is bigger than 50, so I would swap those two round. And then first pass. So this is an example of quite an inefficient sorting algorithm, because you can see that at the bottom there, at the end of our first pass, the list still isn't sorted into lowest to highest. An inefficient algorithm because we've got to then perform several more passes to get the full solution. Okay, so starting from our first pass then, we can then perform another pass on it to get closer to our fully sorted solution. So first of all, I'm going to compare 4 and 9, and I can see that 4 is less than 9, so I'll swap those two round. And then I compare 9 and 14. Well, 9 is less than 14, so I don't swap those two round. I compare 14 and 56, and 14 is less than 56, so I keep that one where it is. Compare 56 and 61, and again, that one stays where it is. Compare 61 and 39, however, and I swap those two. And then I compare 61 and 17, and in fact I'm going to swap 17 with 61, so I'm going to put 17 in here, and then I'm going to compare 61 and 39. I'm going to swap those two, so 39 goes there, 61 goes here. Compare 61 with 50, and I can see that 50 will go there, and 61 will go here. I'm comparing 61 with 78, and I can see that 61 will go there and 78 will go there. So that's our second pass complete. And we can see that the list still isn't sorted because we've got, for example, 56 here, 39 there, that's not in order. So we're going to have to do another pass. We can start comparing our numbers again. So 4 and 9 would stay in the same place, 9 and 14 would stay in the same place. But 56 and 39, they would swap. So 39, so 17. And then 56 and 39, they would swap. And then 50 and 56 would swap. And 56 and 61, they wouldn't swap, so I'm going to write 56 in there. And the rest of that part of the list is sorted. So that's our third pass. And then our list still isn't sorted because we've got 17 here, 39. So we're going to do a fourth pass. So 4, 9. And then we're going to keep 14 where it is. Swap 17 and 39. And 39 and 39, that would... we're not going to swap that because they're the same value. And then we can see the rest of our list is indeed sorted. So we've sorted it in ascending order. So I hope you get the sense that that is quite an inefficient algorithm, and it's often used as an example of a particularly inefficient algorithm, and there's certainly more efficient sorting algorithms out there. And most questions would ask you to do one pass or possibly a full sort, but not write out all of the complete passes. Okay, thanks for watching.